Now let's talk about what is business process reengineering. It is a management strategy focusing on the analysis and redesign of workflows and processes within an organization. The primary objective is to improve performance in terms of cost, quality, service, and speed. Let's have an example. In the early 1980s, Ford Motor Company addressed inefficiencies in its accounts payable department. The company discovered that its process for matching invoices, purchase orders, and receiving documents was large, time-consuming, and error-prone. So what they did is they redesigned the process by integrating information processing and reducing the steps required to match invoices. Instead of using three separate documents such as invoice, purchase orders, and receiving document, Ford introduced an electronic data interchange system to streamline data flow between departments and reduce manual data entry. By automating and integrating the accounts payable process, Ford reduced the workforce in this department by 75%. Thank you and happy learning.